Hello children, welcome back. How are you guys? Hope you're all fine and safe. Okay, see, few topics are left which we have studied in the live class, but we did not see in our video. Okay, the first topic is Red Data Book. Okay, it is a record, worldwide maintained record, international record maintained by an organization which holds the data about the endangered fauna and flora worldwide. Okay, Red Data Book is a record which maintains the data about the endangered fauna and flora worldwide. Okay, and our country is also maintaining a record regarding the endangered fauna and flora separately. Okay, internationally a book is maintained, and also our country maintains its own book regarding the endangered species of plants and animals. Okay, and the next small topic is migration. Migration is moving from one place to another place. Okay, there are birds or other animals which move from one place to other place. Okay, for example, there are migratory birds. In order to avoid the climatic change, they fly away from their country and they come and settle in our country during the winter season, and once the season gets over, they'll get back to their own place. These birds are called as migratory birds. Okay, and or there are set of birds during to avoid the climatic condition, they fly away where the climatic condition is good. Okay, and they lay their eggs and they get back to their own country, and these birds, after they hatch the egg, they'll move on to their own motherland. Okay, so in a since it is cold climate and it's not perfect to hatch the egg, they come. Okay, so these birds are called as migratory birds. Okay, so in order to avoid the climatic condition, they'll move from one place to another place. They find favor, they find hospitality and everything they'll find at the new place. Okay, and when the climatic condition is favor, they'll move on to their own place, which is called as migration. Okay, and the next topic is recycling of paper. See, like around 17 full grown trees are, uh, cut off to prepare a ton of paper. Okay, so what we are doing is we are using those papers and we are throwing it off. So as a student, as a member of this country, as a citizen of this country, what we have to do is we can go for recycling paper, and paper got the efficiency to undergo recycling for 5 to 7 times. We can recycle, and for 5 to 7 times we keep on recycle the paper and we can use. Okay, and if we do this, at least we can try saving trees, and at least if we save one paper per day, so many trees are saved in a lifetime. So what we can do, we can go for recycling the paper so that the number of trees available will be maintained, so that we can save energy and we can save energy and water. Okay, and moreover, more harmful chemicals which are used in the paper industry can be maintained. So recycling of paper will save millions of trees. Okay, and what we have to do, we have to use economically, use the paper, and also we can go for recycled papers so that the number of trees which we are cutting off for the purpose of paper preparation can be avoided, and to an extent we can avoid the chemical pollution, and also the water, the energy and water which we are using for the paper preparation will be maintained. Okay, and the last topic of this lesson is reforestation. Okay, we discussed about this reforestation and afforestation in the last class. Afforestation is planting of trees in the place where the trees were not at all present. Okay, a barren land, if we just maintain it, we plow it, and we make a proper arrangement and plant the trees in that area, it is called as afforestation. Okay, and reforestation is the area where the trees were present and we have destroyed the trees, and in the same area if we plant the trees, it is called as reforestation. Okay, for example, one tree which is nearby our place, we have cut off, maybe for the firewood or for the furniture. Okay, in the same place, what we can do, if we can regrow another tree. we can plant another tree, which is called as reforestation. Reforestation is bringing of the forest in the same area, and afforestation is bringing of the forest in a new area. Okay, so in this class we have discussed about the red data book. It is a record which maintains about the endangered fauna and flora. Second one, migration. Birds migrate from one place to another place in order to meet their climatic change, and also if the climatic change favors them, they lay their egg and they get back to their own place, and the hatch of birds also move to their motherland, and again when the climate is not favoring, they'll move on to the other places. This is called as migration. Okay, recycling of papers saves many trees, and we can reduce the chemical pollution, and also we can reduce the usage of energy and also usage of water. And reforestation is the last topic of this lesson, that is planting of trees in the area where the trees were removed, and maintaining the number of trees in that area is reforestation. Afforestation is bringing out a new forest in a barren land. Okay, if we cultivate the if we maintain the land in a new piece of area, okay, for the plantation, it's called as afforestation. Is that clear, children? Okay, bye.